So 5 minutes ago, I asked you how you were feeling, and you said not too great. How are you feeling right now?
Better. Amazing.
So what's going on? What happened?
Well, I mean, everything's cool. You know, no problem. But I had just hit it 4 times, and it kept on going that way. Like the hole was over there. Hole was over there. I would hit it. It would hit something, and it would go this way. So I did that like 4 times, 3 times. I don't know. Whatever.
So now what are we looking at?
Now I'm in the fairway. I hit 3 balls with 3 different swings, and they're all in the fairway. So that feels a lot better. They went that way, first of all, and hopefully these will also go that way. That's why I feel good. And the whole key was just to relax.